Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Tashie Tips Tuesdays. This one is more a just new app video. Sometimes I do tips as in like quick Insta hacks type vibe or editing hacks, whatever you want to call them. And sometimes we do apps. So if you're new to my channel, I don't know what's going on with my hair today. Do we want down or do we want back? Anyway. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of Instagram, photo editing, video editing, Insta stories type vibe videos. So you can check them out in the eye. If you haven't seen them before and you're new here, it'd be great if you click that subscribe button and you're going to get a show loads of tips basically on how to make cool stuff on Instagram. So today, as I said, we're talking about a new app. So I wasn't going to talk about this app because of just something in my head. But I did find a filter type effect on there which I actually do really like, so we're going to talk about it, okay? Because I've been using it a little bit to do these videos and you guys want to know what's going on with the videos and how did I do it, so I'm going to show you because it's super easy. It's got so many options on there which I think is great. So let's just get into it. The app is called, wait, let me just record my phone screen and put it next to me here. Okay, so we're going to go into my video effects folder. You can see I have a ton. It is called Filmm. It is this one right here. Filmm with an extra M. Filmm. Okay, so this is the one. There's a free version. I don't think you get shit on the free version, to be honest. I did have the free version just to see what it was like. I'm pretty sure you didn't get a lot on it at all. Oh, hello. Why is it asking me to open a photo already? I'm not even ready. Okay, I'm just going to open this video because clearly it wants me to. Okay, so open a video. I will get into what I was just saying a second ago. Okay, here's my video. So then I found an effect I liked, but you had to pay for it. You could either pay for the full version of the app, which I believe was quite pricey. I will have a look in a sec, but I decided just to buy the one I liked to begin with. I don't know why. That was probably not very efficient money of me, because if I just bought the lot, it probably would work out cheaper. But that's what I did. Okay, so when you open it, this is what you get. So this is the video. Over here, you can see there's a little timestamp. This I do actually really like. So if we click on it, we can edit it. So you can add or take away the watermark. Obviously, I took it away. I don't particularly want it on there. I think that's only if you've bought something though. Maybe I'm on a free trial. I'm on a free trial. I have everything. Do I? I think I'm on a free trial, guys. I'll find out in a sec. Ramble. So I'm taking that off, and then you can see you've got the date and the time. You can choose no watermark, you can choose just the timer, or you can choose the date and the timer. I usually go for that option. Add. Then down here where it says Filmm, you have loads and loads of templates. Yeah, as you can see, these ones with baskets, I don't have. The one I've been using is on 16mm, which is this one. And these are the types of effects you have. So effect 1 is like, can you see it changed the colour to begin with? So let's just go with no filter. This is no filter. And then this filter. I actually really like this filter. It's almost black and white, but I feel like it's got a tad bit of colour in it. It's just super desaturated. And it's also got some kind of flashy bits on it. Yeah. Okay, then the next one is this one. Doesn't really do much, that one for me. Then we have this one. This is black and white. Another black and white. Now the one I've been using loads is this one. So can you see it's got like glitchy effects on it, and it's also got like white squares in the corners. So this is the one I've been using, but I also do like this one. Gives you that flashiness, and it's got like the scratchiness over it as well, which I do really like. And then obviously this one's got more stuff over it, and this one's kind of more speckly. You know, I love a grain, I love a scratchiness, I love that kind of vibe. So that's why I got this one. Let me see if it will show you other options. No, see, it's asking me to buy it. See, this is the one I bought. I paid $3.99 for that 16mm package, which I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11? That's a really weird number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Counted wrong. I got 10 kind of effects with that. Realistically, I'd only use 2 or 3. So £4 for 2 or 3. Whereas if I say if I go to free, see, here you go. 3-day free trial. After trial ends, is £18.50 a year, which I think you have to pay up front. It does work out only £1.50 a month, which isn't loads, but you do have to pay up front. I'm sure I did that though. Should we try? Let's just try. Okay. Okay, so I'm starting my 3-day free trial. Battery is low. Get all content now, yeah. So now I believe it's going to download everything that we could get. So let me just close this one down. There was a couple of other free ones here, by the way, like this one. Really not my kind of thing. That was quite a nice filter. Anyway, let's go into... So we've got camcorder. Oh, that's quite nice. I like this filter. Too saturated for me. Okay, I feel like these are really... Oh. That could be cool. That could be cool if you like this vibe. And then we've got 8mm. That should be good. See, that's nice, black and white. Too saturated. That's quite nice. That's quite cool with the side bit on the edge. This is first impression because I have not looked at these ones because obviously you've seen I've just bought it. So let's keep going and see. This is now dust. Okay, so it's one purely for dust. That's quite good. Not really see. Oh, okay, you can see a bit more there. I feel like maybe I should open another. Oh, that one's very dusty. Okay. This one's called Oui. Not so much. Then we have Sunflare, Holiday, Lovers, Sea Glass, Velvet, Future. There's a lot on here, guys. I feel like there's a lot on here to suit a lot of people. Like, a lot of aesthetics, you know? Like, if you haven't got an aesthetic like mine, you're going to still find something on here that you like. Because it's quite varied. Like, if you're pinky girly, there's something on here for you. If you're more edgy grungy, there's something for you. I feel like there's a lot on this app that you can definitely use. So in that sense, it's really good. But looking through them briefly, these ones are still my favourite. These ones are still my jam. So I'm probably gonna, to be honest, I probably will, there was nothing on there that was like, wow, yeah, I definitely want to keep that. And I also feel like a lot of people are going to jump on this bandwagon of this app. So I probably will not stick with that subscription. I will probably cancel it in a second and just keep these ones that I like, that I've already paid for anyway, you know, the $3.99. But as a whole, if you're looking for like a quick edit of a video or photo, whatever, that is super quick. It's in one app. You can click on it. You could use it every time if you wanted to keep your Insta stories really consistent. Then I feel like it is a really good app. It has got some really good effects on it. But I do feel like there's other apps that have these similar effects as well, like 8mm cam or Kuni cam, or yeah. But it is cool. I do like it. So that is how I've been editing. I edited a few of my recent Insta stories which you guys asked for. So I really hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if it is, and also if you've got any app recommendations or you've heard of apps and you want me to test out the full versions, then leave them in the comments below and I will download them for you guys. I have so many on my phone already, so what is a few extra ones gonna matter? So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I just said that. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.